Hi Vivo fam! Unbox the newest Vivo V30 Pro with me. A lot of you guys know that I am such a memory keeper. Kaya naman I really love taking photos and videos. And I am so happy that Vivo never fails to deliver quality portraits, lalo na ngayon they collaborated with Zeiss, which means sharper details, richer colors, and stunning clarity in every shot. At alam nyo ba that the newest Vivo V30 Pro has a Zeiss triple 50-megapixel main camera and another 50-megapixel selfie camera, complemented by bigger, softer, and better Aura Light 3.0, which ensures you radiate with natural beauty effortlessly. I also love how fast this phone charges. Plus, it is also the thinnest Vivo phone with a 5000 mAh battery and 3D curved screen. So it seamlessly fits into any bag or pocket, kaya pwede talagang dalhin anytime, anywhere. Just like me, get impressed with the newest Vivo V30 Pro Portrait Master.